This door panel had rust in a body seam. Here's how we went from this to this. If you've discovered rust behind your rocker panels, cab corners, or in body seams, the damage may be more extensive than it appears. What you can see on the surface is often only a small part of the problem. Rust in these areas commonly develops from the inside out. By the time the paint bubbles or visible corrosion appears, rust may have already spread through the enclosed cavities, overlapping panels, and hidden seams. The good news is that in many cases, rust in these areas can be stopped and prevented without replacing the entire panel. The key is treating both the visible corrosion and the hidden rust that caused the damage in the first place. In this video, we'll show the process to do so using the KBS Coatings 3-step rust prevention system of KBS Clean, Rust Blast, and Rust Seal, along with Cavity Coater. Before beginning repairs, inspect rocker panels, cab corners, body seams, and inside accessible cavities carefully. Look for paint bubbles, rust stains, cracked seam sealer, loose rust, and corrosion around drain openings. Understanding the full extent of the corrosion helps determine whether the metal can be simply refinished or if more extensive repairs may be necessary. If it's surface rust, no repair is needed. Just clean, treat, and coat. Is there heavy pitting but otherwise the metal is solid? There's still no welding required, only proper prep and sealing are needed. Are there holes or is the metal soft? If so, repair is required before coating. Repairs may be made with fiberglass mesh, epoxy putty, or by welding in a metal patch. Here's how to determine what to use. For pinholes, use fiberglass mesh or epoxy putty. For holes larger than pinholes and up to 1/2 inch in size, use epoxy putty. For holes that are 1/2 to 1 inch in size, use a combination of fiberglass mesh and epoxy putty. For holes 1 to 3 inches in size, use a combination of fiberglass mesh and epoxy putty in multiple layers. For holes over 3 inches in size, welding in a metal patch is strongly recommended. Of note, KBS offers both backbone reinforcing mesh and new metal epoxy putty for these types of repairs. Product details and use instructions for both can be found on the KBS website. If holes or weak metal need to be repaired, do so before beginning the prep and sealing procedure. The first step in the refinishing process is removing all loose rust, loose paint, and failing coatings. Use a wire wheel, sandpaper, or abrasive blasting to remove unstable material. Pay special attention to seams, panel overlaps, and other areas where rust may be hiding. Once loose rust has been removed, the repair area needs to be thoroughly cleaned with KBS Clean, which removes grease, grime, and other contaminants without leaving residue that could hurt adhesion. Mix KBS Clean with hot water, scrub the surface with a brush or Scotch-Brite pad, then rinse thoroughly and allow to dry completely. Once the surface is clean, the next step is treating the metal using Rust Blast, which helps neutralize remaining oxidation while etching the surface for strong adhesion of rust seal. An advantage of the KBS system is that light surface rust does not have to be completely removed. Rust seal can be directly applied over surface rust treated with Rust Blast. Spray Rust Blast onto the bare metal and rusted areas and keep the surface wet for roughly 30 minutes up to 2 hours depending on rust severity. During this time, periodically scrub using a Scotch-Brite pad to help break up contamination. Then rinse thoroughly and dry completely. You'll notice a light zinc phosphate residue will remain. This helps prevent flash rust and should not be removed. With the surface properly prepared, apply Rust Seal, which is a single-part moisture-cured urethane coating designed to stop and prevent rust by sealing metal away from moisture, oxygen, and corrosive contaminants. Rust Seal is formulated to be hard yet flexible to resist cracking, chipping, peeling, and abrasion, and it's available in 11 colors. The coating can be brushed, rolled, or sprayed in self-levels to produce a smooth finish. Apply 2 to 3 thin coats rather than 1 thick coat. Thin coats provide better appearance and performance. Allow each coat to dry to the touch before applying the next coat. After application, allow approximately 7 days for full cure. Rust Seal can be top-coated with any opaque paint system and is recommended for surfaces exposed to frequent or prolonged direct sunlight. KBS Blacktop Chassis Coater is a common choice. Where Rust Seal cannot be effectively applied, such as inside rocker panels, deeply recessed cavities, and other hard-to-reach areas, KBS Cavity Coater Cavity Wax can be applied with a cavity spray wand. Cavity Coater leaves a corrosion-inhibiting coating that seals out moisture, oxygen, and corrosive contaminants to help stop existing corrosion and prevent future rust. Before applying, remove any readily accessible debris and loose scaly rust, then clean with KBS Clean and allow to dry thoroughly. Attach the cavity wand to Cavity Coater and insert the wand into the frame cavity. Then depress the spray tip and withdraw the wand at about 1 foot per second. The recommended film thickness is 1 mm. If needed, repeat to ensure complete coverage. Rust behind rocker panels, cab corners, and in body seams often extends far beyond what is visible on the surface. By properly treating both visible and hidden corrosion, you can help stop rust from spreading and keep it from returning. For more information on the products used in this video, visit kbscoatings.com. KBS Coatings are proudly made in the USA.